Coming up on the Vanilla Ice project. This nasty garage is in need of a major makeover. We're clearing it out.
Whoa!
So we can bring in the bling. The cheesier the better.
Here I come!
Things are definitely gonna heat up.
Wood's caught on fire.
But when we're done, free electricity. Perfect! This garage will be second to none. Amazing. My name is Rob. You may know me as Vanilla Ice.
All right, stop. All right, stop.
I've created a real estate empire here in Palm Beach. I renovate houses. My next project is one of my biggest disasters ever.
We got us a mess here.
But this disaster is on prime waterfront real estate.
Look at that view.
From the outside to the end, we're gonna take this zero
So I continue to A1A.
and make it a hero.
This is gonna get tricky.
In order to make it new, we gotta bring in my crew.
All right, watch out! Don't go!
We've got a ton of work to do, and there's no time to waste.
Look out!
Yo, I saw it. Check out the hook while my DJ records.
This is how you blow the competition out of the water. That is gravy, man. We're about to bring the bling.
I'm Vanilla Ice, and this is my project. Word to your mother. If you're in sunny Palm Beach, you're all about living the luxury lifestyle. And that means driving a luxury vehicle. Which means you gotta have a luxury garage to match. We finished transforming all of our interior spaces, and now it's time to deck out the garage. We got a garage right here. Or a dirty garage. These garage doors, to me, that's like a tin can. If you have nice cars in this garage, you're not gonna sleep very good knowing that all you got is a little thin piece of tin between Mother Nature and your car.
Here's one thing that we're gonna do different is this water heater.
You see the rust here? These things will bust out right here and all this water will flood out your entire garage. Also, this thing is not very energy efficient, so we're gonna put in a solar-powered water heater. So we got some cool technology coming into this garage. Basically, what I gotta do is add some cabinets, do some real decorative floors. We gotta give it a major facelift in here. This old water heater has to go, and we're replacing it with a hot water heater powered by the sun. We're getting rid of these dated cabinets and turning it into an ultra-sleek utility area. And over here, we'll add a surfboard rack and exercise machine. And on the outside, we're adding hurricane impact rated garage doors and new driveway pavers so you can roll up in style. Right now, it's a mess and we need to clean it out.
Ho, 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 ho. It bubbled up. This is not good.
Bubbles are supposed to be in a glass of champagne, not on my garage floor. These little bubbles can give us big troubles. Our floor guys are back and they're on it. Concrete is porous and has a hard time breathing this Florida heat. They're going to sand down the floor, fill in the bubbles, and reseal the floor back up. One good thing, I get to tell Rob we can fix it. Woo! Big bubbles, no troubles.
Hey, Wes,
What's up?
that flooring we did in the garage, it's not really matching the cabinet colors.
So what do you want to do about it?
Well, we got some material over at the compound, maybe like a checkerboard style. Let's go see what we got.
Hey, Rob, this pallet just showed up. I was wondering what was in here.
Yeah, this is our garage floor.
And this stuff just snaps together real quick and easy. In, 30, 40 minutes, we'll have this whole garage floor finished,
Wow, that's pretty quick.
It's got a nice shine to it, and if you ever do, damage it in any way, you can just pop one of these off and pop a new one in.
Stop, pop, and lock.
That's it. Stop, drop, pop, and lock.
That's it.
So here we go. Isn't this great? It looks cool. They come apart like this. Drop them in, lock them in, and drive your car in. So cool, man. I mean, this stuff really looks nice. Look how it goes with the cabinets. It's like perfect. Oh, yeah. This garage is epic. Hey, man, look at this.
When we first got here, this garage was green on the scene. The garage doors were old and the driveway was a wreck. Now the outside of this garage is killer. We added impact-rated doors and brand new pavers, making this garage unbeatable.
All the glamour and bling that you could ever want.
On the inside, this garage was dated and definitely hated. And now it's rocking out with bright color and style.
You got a 65-inch 4K TV, but look at this floor we put in, bro.
Concrete floor was hideous. When you put that new stamp deck down, A1 money.
It doesn't get any better than this right here. We've got 10 surfboard racks custom made. We've got an air compressor right here.
We added custom cabinets and counters that look great with tons of storage.
All the drawers and cabinets. There's no wood in this. This is all acrylic. The cabinets are all acrylic, all the way through.
Best of all, we added a solar water heater, and the house runs completely off the sun.
This right here runs the entire house, solar panels. We've got mega kilowatts coming in here to run all of our air conditioners, our appliances, all of our lights. So the house is super, super efficient. Who needs a treadmill? Who needs anything but a surf? You can surf and you don't have to even worry about the sharks. Hey, Wes, what are you doing?
I'm gonna paddle to New Zealand.
This garage was a tough project to tackle, but the Ninja team pulled through.
Oh, yeah.
And now this garage is an epic space where the whole family can kick back, relax, and have a great time.
Well, we have everything in this garage, right?
Yeah, the only thing missing is people and a barbecue.
Barbecue! Yeah!
Let's get this party started.
Come on, guys! The Q-a-luau is happening! Woohoo! Burgers on the grill, burgers on the grill. We got burgers on the grill. All the neighbors are here. This is how you do it. Everybody's invited. Look at this. Yeah!
This season on the Vanilla Ice Project. The house is almost done.
Are you kidding me?
But there's still some fun to come. The Ninjas are pushed to the brink.
Move it, move it.
But they'll come back swinging.
I got big things coming your way.
No problems too big.
I'm so happy about that.
No details too small.
This is rockstar quality.
We're gonna kick things in high gear
Wow.
and hopefully have the best party of the year.
Let's get this party started.